Welcome to my channel. Friends, today's video is about how PVC wallpapers are budget friendly. Friends, PVC wallpapers are wall coverings made from polyvinyl chloride, a synthetic plastic polymer. These are highly durable, resistant to wear and tear, and can withstand high traffic areas. These are waterproof, are water resistant, and are typically easier to install due to their flexibility and strength. Now we come to our main topic. We will discuss three aspects in terms of budget. First one is cost of material. PVC wallpapers are often more affordable in terms of material cost compared to premium options like natural fiber or specialty wallpapers. Natural fiber or specialty wallpapers made from silk, grass cloth, or other unique materials tend to be more expensive due to the cost of sourcing and manufacturing these materials. Second one is installation cost. PVC wallpapers usually have a straightforward installation process, making them cost effective to install. DIY or do-it-yourself installation is common, reducing labor cost. While some specialty wallpapers may require professional installation due to their delicate nature or specific application techniques, increasing the overall installation cost. Third one and last one is longevity and maintenance saving. PVC wallpapers, being durable and easy to maintain, can save money over time due to their longevity and reduced need for replacement or repairs. Friends, please like my video, share it to your friends, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.